This is Chariot. I came to visit Hampi. First of all, I went Sri Virupatsa temple. This temple is dedicated to Lord Virupatsa, a form of Shiva. Here in this temple, I found lot of monkeys. So be careful if you visit anytime this temple. Then I went Lakshmi Narasimha temple. This temple is dedicated to Narasimha. This is Tungabhadra river. In the epic Ramayana, the Tungabhadra river is named by the name Pampa. It is photogenic place due to rocky formation around it. It is believed that river Tunga is a form of Lord Vishnu, while Bhadra refers to Lord Shiva. 108 Shiva lingas carved on the rock on the bank of Tungabhadra. Peanut Ganesh. This Ganesh is known as Peanut Ganesh. This is 18 feet tall. This is built by a big block of stone. The belly of Ganesh resembles Bengal gram. That's why the name they gave Peanut Ganesh. Lord Narasimha, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, sitting on the coil of huge seven-headed snake. This is Lotus Mahal. Lotus Mahal is an important monument in Hampi. Lotus Mahal is a virtual air-conditioned residence built for one of the two wives of Vijayanagara ruler Krishna Devaraya. Lotus Mahal has a water tank on the top, water pipes through the beams and columns, facilitating flow of water through the structure and keeping it pretty cool even in hot summer. Here the queens used to come. This is Hajar Rama temple. 15th century by depict of Ramayana is written in stone of this temple. This is stone door which was used earlier. People used to come to take pan supari after they finish their lunch in this place in olden days. The Queen's Bath shows us the architecture excellence which was there in olden days. The Queen's Bath is a rectangular building. The structure has an area of 30 meters square. There are balconies with small windows, dome-like roof on the top, a high courtyard in the front, and a pool made with bricks in the middle. All make for the perfect sight to behold. In olden days, the guests used to stay in these places. The persons who come from outside in Vijayanagara time, all of them was given place to stay, and these are in the sides you can see those places. Here in the side, all the guests used to stay. In olden days, people used to celebrate in occasions, and this is the place where celebration used to take place. Everybody used to celebrate in these places. This is the place where Vijayanagara Empire or the king used to hide inside so that their enemy can't understand. So this is underground place. Battery car is the best to go to Vittala temple. Vittala temple, I went in battery car. So while going, I am showing you the nice view or beautiful scenery. Vittala temple was built in 15th century AD. This temple was built by Vijayanagara Empire. Vittala, after whom the temple is known, is a form of Lord Vishnu. The highlight of Vittala temple is its impressive pillared halls and stone chariot. The temple has spectacular carving and sculptures. The outer musical pillars supposedly designated to replicate 81 different musical instruments. The Vittala temple is presumed to be the greatest of all temples and monuments in Hampi. The Vittala temple is built in the Dravidian style or South Indian style of architecture. It has traits and features that are characteristics of typical South Indian temple architecture. The temple complex is sprawling area that is surrounded by big high compound walls and three towering gateways. The area of this temple is really very big. The temple has many halls, shrines, and pavilions located inside it. Each of these structure is made of stone and each structure is beauty in itself. The spectacular of this pillar is that some musical sound used to come before. Britishers broke these pillars. This is one of the amazing facts of this temple. There are many pillars, but before musical sounds used to come in these pillars. These pillars which you can see, this is the most amazing things. The stone chariot was built by many big sizes granite blocks. The stone chariot once contained the icon of Garuda, but now the shrine has been removed. The joints are smartly hidden in the carvings and we cannot see the joints. So this admires us the most in this stone chariot. Here we can see elephant is pulling the stone chariot. But before I heard horses was there. But later it was removed and elephant was replaced.
better have guide her explain about this carvings also. With nice photography.
200 sir, temple guide.
Just 200 rupees.
Here in the outside place, queen used to sit and they used to see their face by the help of mirror. Nowadays we take selfie, that time they used to see their face by the help of mirror. Here in this stone carving we can see of Kumbhakaran and also Lord Rama. I ate my lunch in Hotel Green Restaurant. This restaurant looks very beautiful as it is surrounded by lots of trees. You can see here. Here I got delicious lunch. Authentic lunch of Karnataka. Here I ate. Again I came to Tungabhadra river. This place is really very wonderful place because small river flows beside the rocks. This is canal. Through this canal they used to take water for irrigation. Like my video, kindly subscribe my video and like it, and please share my video to all your friends.